If your garden could bloom forever, what would it look like? For Lily, it was a dream come true. Lily loved nature and spent her days in her garden growing the most beautiful flowers. One sunny morning, she found a tiny glowing fairy trapped in a web. With gentle hands, Lily freed the fairy, who introduced herself as Blossom, the fairy of the meadow. "Thank you, dear Lily," said Blossom. "I will grant you one wish." Lily thought and then wished for her garden to bloom forever, so everyone could experience its beauty. Blossom smiled, waved her wand, and sparkling dust fell over the garden. Instantly the flowers grew even more vibrant and enchanting. Word of Lily's magical garden spread far and wide. People from distant lands came to marvel, and the village flourished with joy and prosperity. Lily's kindness and Blossom's magic brought happiness to everyone, and the village lived happily ever after. And so, Lily and Blossom's tale reminded everyone that kindness and a touch of magic can make the world a more beautiful place.